We've got Avery and Morgan drying off by the window after their showers. Avery's on the right and Morgan's on the left. And they're just going to hang out and look out the window. And they've also got some friends to hang out with, and that's Bella. And then this is Sabrina. And they all get along. Not sure why Sarah's not out here. Sarah's the one who loves to sit with him. They just like to look out the window. Avery,